Hi guys, this is Gary from G&G Electronics. Today I have, whoops, I hit the camera. Let me just get this back over here a little bit. This is the new radio kit that is out in the Chinese markets now. It's called the GS1299 DIY FM transmitter, and I built this today. There is absolutely no instructions anywhere for this, but I have them now on my website. When you get one of these, I have the instructions for it. And again, it's got a audio input. There's no microphone. I didn't see any other input for the transmitter end of it. The GS1299 is just an FM tuner. It's got a battery. It can run on battery, and it's amazing how many stations you can get with this thing just like this. No antenna, and it works very well. You got seek up and down, volume up and down. These LEDs are this blue one down here is telling you that you're running on the battery power only. Once you power it up with micro USB, this red light comes on to tell you that you're being powered by the external power, and that's it. Let's give it a shot. So I'll pop it in. I'll run it on battery first. All right, so let's seek on it. There's one station. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm way in a valley here too, and this thing is just pulling out signals, no problem, with no antenna. And then this is the volume. We'll bring that down. Bring it down, you can bring it back up. Have you cried yourself to sleep? But it's a nice little radio kit to build. You have to know how to do surface mount devices. The GS1299 is in there. That's surface mount. It's got a power regulator that is surface mount. It's got a USB that you have to put in there. It's a surface mount. It's a little challenge, but it's a nice little FM tuner. And that's all I got for you guys. Again, I have these on my website at gngelectronics.com. Thanks.